All right, food enthusiasts, let's dive into the fascinating world of bamboo salt. Ever wondered how this exotic seasoning is made? Well, you're in for a treat. Bamboo salt, or JUKYEOM, originates from Korea and has been used for centuries. The process begins with sea salt, which is the primary ingredient. This salt is packed into bamboo stalks, but it's not just any bamboo. The bamboo used is typically at least 3 years old, ensuring it has absorbed a wealth of nutrients from its environment. Next, these bamboo stalks filled with sea salt are sealed with a special type of yellow clay known as LOESS. This clay acts as a barrier, keeping the salt pure and untainted during the next stages of the process. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The bamboo and clay packages are placed into a furnace and roasted at temperatures reaching 800 degrees Celsius. This roasting stage is repeated up to 9 times. Yes, 9 times. Each cycle infuses the salt with minerals and elements from the bamboo and clay, enhancing its flavor and health benefits. Between each roasting, the salt is allowed to cool and harden. The process of repeated high-temperature roasting and cooling not only eliminates impurities, but also releases toxic substances from the salt. The final product is a beautifully rich, mineral-dense salt that's packed with antioxidants and believed by many to carry significant health benefits. It has a unique, slightly sweet and less salty taste compared to regular sea salt, making it a prized ingredient in various culinary dishes. So there you have it, the intricate and fascinating process of making bamboo salt. Next time you sprinkle a pinch of this extraordinary seasoning, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get to your table. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about other unique foods, be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.